Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name's Yani Adepoju. If you haven't joined the squad, what are you doing? Like, hit that subscribe button. I'm a content creator and a life coach, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm making my vision board for 2020. By the time I'm filming this video, it's January the 28th, but this video should be up early February. And I know you guys might be thinking like, bro, we're in February, but it doesn't, I don't know, I feel like the year doesn't start till February. Like, it's already started, but January is like recovering from holidays, figuring things out. And the reason I didn't do one earlier was because I previously had a vision board that I created like in October. I want to say, was it October? Maybe a little early. I want to say August. I created one in August of last year, and I was like, you know what, this is what I want. But those have actually kind of things have shifted right now, and I'm in a much different space than where I was back then. So I want to kind of revamp some of the stuff that's on my vision board, some of the things I'm going to be leaving on there, and some of the other things I'm going to be like refreshing the pictures. So I'm going to bring you guys through my process. I don't have any of the pictures sorted out, so what I like to do is I'll go on Pinterest, because I don't have any magazines or anything like that. I'm gonna go on Pinterest, and then as well as if I need to type up like a quote or something, I'm gonna type that up as well on my vision board. And I think my vision board is gonna be, it's gonna be like a mixture of like things I want to do. I don't want to say like goals, but things I want to do. In the past I have done vision boards, and some of the things on the vision board have come to pass, and some of the things have not in the year I wanted. But I'm not going to stress it at all. I'm just gonna keep it realistic based on how I want to feel in 2020 really. So yeah, let's get started. The year doesn't start till February. Let's get real. Let's get real. We just had what, Chinese New Year? Like, year doesn't start yet. So come February, let's go. This is kind of like what I have on here right now. Mine just looks like this, so I'm gonna take out the pictures and then like reprint some other pictures. So yeah, let's go get started. First step is source out your image. I'm gonna do Pinterest. Also, I'm gonna break these down into, I think I'm gonna do health, I'm going to do business, like how I want to feel in my health, how I want to feel in my business, and then like personal life. So I'm gonna post. Whoa, this is when you know I need to go to bed. Guys, it's about, what time is it? It's 9:46 right now. I usually go to bed early, yes, judge me, but it's about 9:46. I'm getting tired. I want to keep filming this video, but I feel like my energy just won't be able, like, I don't want to put out low vibe, low energy video. What I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna finish this video up tomorrow morning. What I'm gonna do is actually just source my pictures tonight. Tomorrow I'll come back and reconvene with this video.
8 hours later.
Hey guys, so back from yesterday's video. I was getting so tired that I couldn't even finish the video, and today's the next day. I'm about to go pour myself a cup of coffee, print out my photos, and then start putting my vision board together. I'm so excited. If you're wondering, what is that on your neck? I burnt my neck yesterday with a curling iron, hence the scar. So that's kind of what's going on today with my neck. So let's get started. I've gone ahead and printed some of the pictures that I want to use. I'm not going to be showing you guys every single thing and what the final like vision board would look like, just because some things I'd like to keep like personal to myself. But I know by me putting it on my vision board and looking at it every day, I know what I'm working towards and where I want to go. So I just like, I'll be showing you guys essentially the things I'm I feel okay with sharing publicly, but that's what's going on. I have like this clear, mine's like a clear glass, so then I can just like look at everything. And I found this at the dollar store, and I had the idea to like put the pictures on it and then like frame it up so it looks more of a picture than just like a regular boring board. I wanted it to be like fun and pretty looking because I like nice looking things. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, cut out these pictures, go over my vision board with you guys, and yeah, and I'm honestly so excited to like look back later on. Maybe I'll do it at the end of the year or maybe next year and like go through it with you guys and be like, this happened, and like, oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get to it. I've gone ahead and put down everything that I want on my vision board, and then I'm gonna be showing you guys what it looks like. Yeah, Deborah's here, say hi. Okay, all right, back to filming. So this is what I have for my vision board. I kind of just put everything together in kind of like a collage, but what we'll do is we'll start from the left and work our way to the right. I have like this food platter because for 2020, I'm just trying to eat good, live good, not stress out too much in terms of like food and what I'm eating, just like enjoy myself and enjoy food as always. And then working out. So I have myself on here because I'm my own inspiration and my own competition. So yeah, my goal with that is to kind of consistently work out 4 times a week in 2020. And then over here I have a MacBook because I want to get myself a MacBook Pro this year because it'll definitely make my life easier with editing, which I'm gonna get. Don't know when, but just gonna have faith that it's gonna happen. And then on here I have abundance, manifestation, gratitude, money flows to me easily because I believe in abundance and that's our birthright, manifestation. So in 2020, lots of manifestations are gonna come to me. Gratitude, because just a reminder to myself to always be and stay in gratitude. And then money flows to me easily because your money mindset affects everything you do. That's a whole nother topic that I can film a video on if you guys want. Over here, I have my YouTube channel. So this one I actually wasn't gonna share, but I was like, you know what the heck? I'm filming this video for YouTube. Might as well just put it up on there. So I just like took a video screenshot of one of my current videos, and then my goal is to grow my channel to that. I'll put it on here. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna say it. Let's say it, put energy into it, speak it out into existence. So my YouTube channel, my goal is to grow it into 10,000 subscribers this year. See how that goes. Like, I'm honestly not stressing it too much, or I'm not gonna like, it's not the end of the world if it doesn't happen, but at the same time, this is just like, I'm playing along. I'm like, let's see if this can happen. So that's something I'm doing. And then on here, I have my oysters because I wanna go back to San Diego again this year, which I feel like it's gonna happen, but I don't know when or how, but I'm just gonna put it out there. It's gonna happen. And I had like some of the best like oysters and just seafood because San Diego is close to like the beach water. Where I live, we don't have any of that. So that's what's going on. And then just like the beach, I have a photo of myself with a book in the beach because I love reading at the beach. It's so relaxing. Like, it's honestly self-care for me. So yeah, when I go to San Diego, I'm manifesting this again. And this is a picture from last year when I went to San Diego and I had like my fruit, kombucha, and a book. So yeah, and then I have a glass of wine because I just plan to just enjoy myself this year. And by that, I mean, I don't mean I'm going to drink all the time or anything like that, but this goes with this, where I'm just kind of enjoying myself and living life with balance, obviously. But yeah, And then this over here is San Diego. This is La Jolla Beach. So yeah, this is gonna happen again. I don't know when, but I want to go back to San Diego with my mans again because it was such a good trip. And then I have on here a mountain because I tried to, well, actually, I want to do a little bit more hiking this year. So by hiking, I mean like I don't want to do a crazy ass mountain, but I want to be out in nature more this year and just go for more walks and just spend more time in nature. And then I have myself reading a book over here because my goal this year is to read 24 books. Last year I set a goal for 12 books and I like hit that goal. So this year I'm doubling it to reading over 24 books, which I think it's doable. It's very doable. But yeah, my goal is just to read more books this year. And then on here I have coffee because I love coffee, and coffee is just so delicious and so yummy, and I appreciate coffee. I'm kind of a coffee snob. And then I have a plane over here with like the sun rising, or yeah, with the sun rising, I think. So more traveling this year. Yeah, more traveling this year. I'm calling in more traveling this year. I don't know when specifically. I have like nothing planned in stone or like bought any tickets or anything, but I'm gonna travel more this year. I don't know where. Like, I have ideas of where I want to go to, but definitely more like plane flights this year. And then I just have this quote on here. This I actually had on my previous vision board, but I'm putting it on here again. All things are working out for my highest good, because it's just important to believe like life is happening for you and not to you. So that's what's going on. And then I have a podcast mic over here because I want to really focus on growing my podcast this year and just having fun with it as well. I have a podcast mic because I want to get this mic to record my podcast episodes. So I have that on here because currently I have like a mini mic that I use to record, but I'm currently working on manifesting this mic for my podcast because yeah, I want to have a nice podcast and audio quality for that. So that's what's going on. If you guys don't know what my podcast is called, it's called the Connected Coffee Chats podcast. You can tune in on Anchor, Spotify, or iTunes. And then over here, I have like a group of people, and you're probably thinking, huh, what the heck? So if you guys don't know, I'm a life coach. So what I have on here is this. So this is also kind of related to work and what I want to do this year. So this is just like me calling in clients that I'm going to be working with this year, because I work with clients from all over the world. So this is just me and them on a video call. I think I might go and like switch these pictures out to like all females because I only work with females. So I'm probably going to do that because I like to get a little bit specific. I like to get a little bit specific. That is it for my vision board for 2020. I can't wait to like come back and like a year from now and just check back in with like things that happened, things that didn't happen, things that, yeah, I'm just so excited to like come back later on and look at this video and see what might have manifested and all that good stuff. If you've made it to this point, go ahead and subscribe. Help your girl hit her goal. That I just shared with you guys. Like the video, share it with someone that you think might need some inspiration with their vision board. And if you haven't created one yet, like don't stress yourself out. Like really and truly don't stress yourself out. You know, January is about like catching your breath, laying the foundation, laying the groundwork. So if you haven't done one yet, it's never too late. You can make a vision board literally whenever the heck you want, is what I believe. It doesn't have to be when everybody does it in January. See you guys in my next video. Bye.